This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, and you do have the option to remove objects out of images, and this option here can remove text out of images as well. This option here can remove people out of pictures and whatever cases you choose. And as well, down here you have the AI image upscaler. I do select the image that I want to improve. As you can see here, I do get the 4K and the 2K option. And as well, if you're going to use it for free, you're going to need to watch an ad. Or if you don't want to use it for free, you can get your subscription. You can either tap on the Pro Upscale option here, will redirect you to their subscription, which allows you to get remove the ads that they have on their application and get the subscription features. Or you can pretty much tap on the option where it says free plan here, and you'll be able to see their subscription page. As you can see here, what you'll be getting with your subscription, you'll be getting all ads removed, watermark, unlimited AI upscales, and so forth. You can see here you have a monthly subscription and a yearly subscription here as well. So that's pretty much it for the application. Nothing much. All you have to do is just select whichever photo you want to be removed. Let's say something in photo, text, it's all here. All you have to do is select whichever option you want to use and select your image, and you're pretty much good to go. Other than the AI upscale option, you'd have to select your 4K option and support. Those are the only thing, and that's pretty much it. So if I've missed anything at all in this video, just comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.